On this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a condenser on a 2008 Ford F-150 Platinum. It's leaking power steering fluid. They combined the power steering cooler with the AC condenser somehow. So I'll show you all that when we get it out here. It's leaking on the passenger side. Well, the first thing to remove is headlights. There's 3 bolts. One here, here, and here. After you remove the bolts, go ahead and grab it here firmly. And down here, if you can, one hand here and another down here. And you gotta give it a good tug so it could come out of those holes over here, those little locks that it has here. There's one right there. Okay, now let's remove the 6 bolts that holds the radiator support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After that, remove the radiator support bolts right here and over here. Now go ahead and remove these 4 screws right here. There's one there, another there, and there. And I use a ratchet wrench, 10 metric. Next, do this number right here on this strap. Open it up right there. Let's get that hose out. Let's go ahead and remove these plastic covers. I got that one off already. Now this one on the bottom. Just next. Okay. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Get them off. Okay, now we could pull the radiator support back so we could work, so it could give us some room. That's gonna be as far as it's gonna go. Next thing is the hoses. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. The AC lines have to come off also. In order to remove the condenser, you have to push these tabs in. Don't forget, both sides. Okay, everybody, this is how the power steering fluid gets cooled down. We got the inlet here. It comes through and does a turnaround right here. Comes out back to the power steering pump reservoir. To that feeding. That's how it works. Let me show you those plastic tabs with the condenser on already. You gotta push them in order to get the condenser out. See that?